Hi, just a short video on the SDDS system of Sony. I have the Sony 6.1 home theater system. But I'm just wondering if somebody of Sony can maybe let me know why they have not done it. Why can't this Sony home theater system maybe convert Dolby Digital 5.1 into SDDS surround sound? That's what I want to know because it can actually convert Dolby Stereo or any stereo source into Dolby Pro Logic. It would have been nice if Sony has made the system that it can convert Dolby 5.1 into SDDS surround sound, Sony's dynamic digital surround sound. It's actually strange that um, nowhere on this receiver home theater system there's no mention of SDDS, and yet it is a Sony machine. Yeah, if maybe somebody of Sony can let me know why this machine cannot play or cannot convert any sound or DTS sound into Sony dynamic digital surround sound. It will be nice to know why. And then another question that I have is if I look at the specs or how SDDS sound work, it is five front channels with two rear channels. Now this receiver have A and B, and you can actually put A and B together on. Then you have five speakers in front and two at the back. But at this moment, I have more like a 10.1 surround sound. I have the A and B on when I watch movies with the center surround sound, which make it five speakers in the front. Then there is the left and right mid surround sound, and then at the rear, because it only have one speaker for the rear, I actually use that speaker as a hub, and I connected two more speakers to make the rear surround more broad. But that one, because of that is one speaker, it the rear surround sound is mono. So I have the front left and a right, or yeah, left and a right, two at every channel, the A and B, and then the center speaker. So it's more like a 10.1 surround sound with obviously the subwoofer there is a point 0.1. Yes, and I want to also know that since if you put the A and B on and you have the sound in Dolby, let's just say Dolby Pro Logic or Dolby Digital 5.1, did I by mistake stumble across the SDDS surround sound? Is that why it has the A and B? So that you can choose between, let's just say you played only A, then you only have the 5.1, then you have three speakers in front. But if you play A and B together, then you have five speakers in front. Did I by mistake inadvertently stumble across SDDS surround sound, or is it still Dolby 5.1 surround sound? Thank you. Have a nice day. And as always, thanks for watching.